Friends, now we are going to continue exercise 2.4, sum number 5. I am going to explain you part 4. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. We have to factorize this. It is a cubic polynomial. In this highest power is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. In sum number 4, we have learned how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Now in sum number 5, I am going to explain you how to factorize the cubic polynomial. Part 4. What is there your part 4? 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. We have to factorize this. Firstly, what is the constant in this? In this constant number is 1. So what are the factors of 1? Plus 1 and minus 1. These are the factors of 1. Firstly, you have to check which one is the constant. Constant is minus 1. So what are the factors of minus 1? Plus 1 and minus 1. So we have to check by factor theorem, these are the factors of given polynomial or not. You have to put at the place of y 1 and minus 1. If we are not getting 0, then we have to take minus 1. If we are getting 0 by plus 1, then it's okay. Then we have to divide by that factor. Now, we have to put this y equal to 1 because plus 1 and minus 1, these are the factors of minus 1. So, firstly, I am taking y equal to 1. At the place of y, you have to put here in the polynomial y equal to 1. So, what we will get? 2 into 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. After that, what we will get? 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 minus 3, we will get equal to 0. So, we can say y plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial because y, when we are putting at the place of y, we are putting value y equal to 1, we are getting 0. So, we can say y minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Now, we know it is the factor of given polynomial. When we will divide this polynomial by y minus 1, so then we will get remainder as 0. Now, we have to divide this polynomial by y minus 1. Now, how we will divide this polynomial by y minus 1? Firstly, we have to check what is our first term 2y cube. By which number you have to multiply by y, you will get 2y cube. It means we need to multiply by 2y square. Y into 2y square, we are getting 2y cube. Now we need to multiply this 2y square by minus 1. What we will get? Minus 2y square. Means when we have multiplied by 2y square by this y minus 1, then we are getting 2y cube minus 2y square. And when you will subtract, when we will subtract this, then what we will get? It will get 2y cube minus 2y cube, you will get 0. Y square plus 2y square, we will get 3y square. Now, we have to take this minus 2y as a down. Now, we have to check by which number you need to multiply by y, you will get 3y square. We need to multiply by 3y. Then we will get 3y square. Now, we need this 3y multiplied by minus 1, you will get minus 3y. Now we need to subtract. How we will subtract? Firstly, we need to change the sign. When we will change the sign, it positive sign, it will change into negative and negative into positive. Now it will cut. Now what we will get? Y minus 1. Y after subtracting you will get minus 2 plus 3, we will get y minus 1, we have to take downward. Now we need to multiply by 1. When you will multiply by 1 into y minus 1, you will get y minus 1. So y minus 1, when we will subtract, we will get 0. It means when we are dividing by y minus 1, then we are getting remainder as 0. So we can say y minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Now this polynomial is given to you, and y minus 1 into 2y square plus 3y plus 1, when we will multiply these two, we will get the same. I am giving you example. When we divide 6 by 2, we are getting 3. And this quotient multiply by divisor, we are getting dividend. Same here. This is our quotient and this is our divisor. When we will multiply these two, we will get this as dividend. So now we are getting, after dividing, we are getting this quadratic polynomial, and it is a linear polynomial. And we know y minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, and this is a quadratic polynomial. Now we need to factorize this quadratic polynomial as we have done in sum number 4. Now what is the coefficient of y square? It is 2. What is constant? It is 1. 2 into 1, 2. And now we have to check, we need to find any two numbers which you will multiply and you will get 2, and after addition or subtraction we will get 3. We need to find these two numbers. When you will multiply that two numbers, you will get 2, and after addition and subtraction you will get 3. It means 2 into 1 we are getting 2, and when you will add this 2 plus 1 we will get 3. So at the place of 3y, by splitting the middle term, we can write 2y plus y. Now we have to find common from first two terms. What is the common in this first two terms? 2y is a common. So what will left? Y plus 1. Now again next two term we can need to find the common. Here plus 1 we can take as a common. Then again y plus 1 we are getting. Now we need to check again here what is the common. Here we are getting y plus 1 as a common. Y plus 1, when you will take the common, then what will left? When we are taking y plus 1 as a common, this we are taking as a common, then 2y plus 1 is a left. So what are the factor of this quadratic polynomial? 2y plus 1 into y plus 1. So these two are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. And this third one also we have find already, y minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So we can say this cubic polynomial having these three factors, y minus 1, 2y plus 1 and y plus 1. Now this way you can find out the solution of sum number 5. You can solve all of you. Now you have to do sum number 4 and 5 of exercise 2.4. Thank you students, and have a nice day all of you.